Hello everyone, I'm the Li. Today I will describe the heatsink. A heatsink is a component designed to lower the temperature of an electrical device by dissipating heat into a surrounding area. Though the term heatsink probably isn't the one most people thinking of when they hear the word computer, it should be. Work heatsinks. Modern computers couldn't run at the speed they do, just as you cool down with the cold bottom of a Gatorade after a high-impact workout. Heatsinks cool down your computer's processors after it's run multiple programs at once, and without quality heatsinks, your computer processor is at the risk of overheating, which could destroy your entry systems, costing you hundreds, even $1,000s. All modern CPUs require the heatsink. Some also require a fan. A heatsink without a fan is called a passive heatsink, and a heatsink with a fan is called the active heatsink. Heatsinks are generally made in aluminum alloy and often have fans. Heatsinks are usually constructed from the copper or aluminum. Copper is a very high thermal conductivity, which means that the rate of the heat transfers through the copper heatsinks is very high. While it's lower than that of the copper, aluminum's thermal conductivity is still high, and it has added benefits of the lower costing and the lower density, making it useful for applications where the weight is a major concern. Okay, and the conduction is a way he's thinking of the transferred in a solid, and therefore is a way it is transferred in a heatsink. Conduction occurs when two objects with different temperatures come into contact with one another. At the point where the two objects meet, the faster moving molecules of the warmer object crash into the slower moving molecules of the cooler object. When this happens, the faster moving molecules from the warmer objects give the energy to the slower moving molecules, which is heats the cooler object. This process is known as thermal conductivity, which is how heatsink transform heat away from the computer's processor. And the heatsink are like other projects in the always advancing field of computers, and any companies are constantly striving to find the lighter, the more conductive materials to make in fact the heat sinks.